What if I told you that your existence started with a spark of light, and not just an egg and a sperm? Let me show you actual footage of the moment life begins. It's called the zinc spark, and it happens the moment the sperm fuses with the egg. When that happens, the egg releases a burst of zinc ions, creating this incredible light show. But it's not just for looks. This spark is essential. It locks out other sperm to make sure only one gets in, and it activates the egg to start dividing and growing. It's the first step in the process that led to you. Scientists discovered this spark happens because the egg is activated by the sperm's fusion, which causes a surge of calcium and triggers the zinc release. Without this, the egg couldn't start its journey to becoming an embryo. You could call it a chemical reaction, and you wouldn't be wrong. But let me ask you this. If life begins with a flash of energy, what does that say about what you are? That spark didn't disappear. It's in every thought, every heartbeat, and every breath you take. It's all powered by the same force that lit up the very beginning of your life. You're not just flesh and blood, you're a walking, living field of energy. So the next time you wonder what you are, remember you're not just a body made of cells. You're light, you're energy, and it all started with a spark.